Step into a new dimension of gaming and entertainment with cutting-edge technology. The best virtual reality headset delivers immersive visuals, precise motion tracking, and unparalleled comfort, transforming every experience into a lifelike adventure you won't want to leave. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. MetaQuest 3S Virtual Reality Headset. The MetaQuest 3S Virtual Reality Headset delivers an exciting leap forward for anyone who loves immersive entertainment and gaming. Packed with 128 gigabytes of storage, it includes the Amazon-exclusive Cardboard Hero Bundle, giving users added value with special in-game armor and shiny rocks to enhance their experience right from the start. One of its standout features is mixed reality, which blends digital objects into your physical room, letting you enjoy both VR and MR modes for more versatile fun. Connectivity is smooth, with support for USB-C headphones or 3.5mm options via an adapter. Social interaction is at the core, allowing you to team up with friends globally for games, concerts, or even casting your gameplay onto a TV for everyone to enjoy. Multitasking is seamless, with multiple virtual screens available for browsing, streaming, or chatting across apps while still seeing your surroundings. The wireless, lightweight design ensures comfort during fitness routines or action-packed adventures, with intuitive hand tracking and responsive Touch Plus controllers delivering precision. Enhanced by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, graphics are twice as powerful as its predecessor, making games crisper and smoother. Family-friendly controls also ensure safe, shared use for kids and adults alike. Number 2. MetaQuest 3S Horizon Virtual Reality Headset. The MetaQuest 3S Horizon Virtual Reality Headset raises the bar with its impressive 4K infinite display that delivers nearly 30% sharper resolution compared to earlier models. Every detail looks more vivid, whether you're exploring vast virtual landscapes or watching immersive media. The headset is completely wireless, giving you the freedom to move without worrying about cords, whether you're gaming, working out, or enjoying virtual concerts. With double the graphical power driven by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, it offers lightning-fast load times and smooth, high-quality visuals even for demanding games. Mixed reality integration lets you combine virtual elements with your physical room, creating a seamless balance between two worlds. For long play sessions, the upgraded battery offers more than 2 hours of use, keeping you engaged longer before needing a recharge. Another big improvement is the 33% increase in memory, with 8 GB of RAM ensuring faster responsiveness, sharper visuals, and more efficient performance when multitasking or running complex VR environments. From fast-paced action to casual social experiences, the MetaQuest 3S Horizon makes everything look and feel more fluid. It's designed for anyone who wants cutting-edge visuals, enhanced freedom of movement, and a stronger all-around VR performance without compromise. Number 3. MetaQuest 3S 128GB Virtual Reality Headset. The MetaQuest 3S 128GB Virtual Reality Headset is designed for those who want to elevate their entertainment and social experiences in a whole new dimension. With plenty of storage for apps, games, and media, this headset brings a balance of performance and functionality. Its mixed reality features allow users to overlay virtual objects in their real-world environment, giving a unique interactive twist that feels natural and engaging. Beyond solo play, the Quest 3S makes connecting with others simple and fun. Whether you're playing immersive multiplayer games, watching a concert in Meta Horizon, or casting your VR session onto a TV, it encourages shared experiences. Multitaskers will appreciate its ability to run multiple virtual screens at once, making it possible to browse the web, watch YouTube, and chat with friends on apps like Messenger without stepping out of VR. The lightweight wireless build ensures comfort during extended use, and its performance upgrade, powered by Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, ensures smoother visuals and more detailed graphics compared to older models. This blend of functionality makes it not just a gaming headset, but a versatile hub for entertainment, social connection, and productivity. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a mix of fun, versatility, and next-gen VR immersion. Number 4. TiCCoonuts Virtual Reality Headset. The TiCCoonuts Virtual Reality Headset is a budget-friendly option tailored to those who want an entry-level VR experience through their smartphones. Compatible with a wide range of devices from iPhone 16 and earlier models to Samsung Galaxy S22 and S21 series, it makes VR more accessible without needing an expensive standalone system. The design includes built-in foldable Bluetooth headphones, delivering an all-in-one audio-visual setup that enhances immersion, whether you're watching 3D movies or playing casual VR games. Its adjustable fit and lightweight build ensure comfort for both adults and kids, making it a versatile choice for family use. Unlike higher-end standalone VR headsets, the TiCCoonuts depends on your smartphone for power and graphics, but its adjustable lens system helps optimize viewing to create a more enjoyable experience. For people who are new to VR, it offers a great way to dip into virtual environments at an affordable price. While it doesn't feature the advanced mixed reality or powerful performance of dedicated devices like the Meta Quest series, it provides a practical and comfortable way to explore virtual media, enjoy interactive apps, and entertain kids with fun VR content. It's a simple yet effective gateway to virtual reality entertainment. Number 5. GAIM Virtual Reality Headset. The GAIM Virtual Reality Headset is designed with a strong focus on realistic hunting and shooting simulations, offering a niche experience unlike typical gaming headsets. Compatible with Meta Quest 3, Quest 2, and Quest Pro, sold separately, it immerses users in a wide range of scenarios, from bird hunting, like pheasant and pigeon shoots, to clay shooting disciplines, such as Olympic skeet and American trap. For big game enthusiasts, GAIM includes simulations of deer, moose, and stag hunting in diverse environments, such as forest trails and snowy landscapes. The system also provides sport shooting challenges with IPSC drills, Game of Steel, and timed competitions to sharpen reaction and accuracy skills. Its strength lies in providing a realistic training platform for hunting and shooting enthusiasts who want to practice safely in a virtual environment. The graphics and interaction feel natural when paired with compatible headsets, making it a valuable tool for those looking to combine entertainment with skill improvement. While it's not a standalone VR system, its ability to integrate with popular Meta devices makes it versatile and easy to set up. For serious hunters, shooters, or anyone interested in lifelike training, GAIM offers a uniquely immersive and practical virtual experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.